There's a reason your AC unit and furnace are called cooling and heating systems. They work as a team with a thermostat and air vents. Now, air vents may not look like they're doing much, but they're hard at work circulating air throughout your house. So what happens if those air vents are blocked from doing their job of circulating air? Well, the rest of your heating and cooling system has to pick up the slack, which often results in a higher utility bill. Plus, working overtime takes its toll on your AC and furnace. So what can you do to avoid this? The advice sounds easy, just don't block the air vents. But sometimes that's not an option. Here's what you can do instead. Purchase and install deflectors on vents that have to be blocked. Flat air deflectors can be placed under low furniture, such as couches or curtains, to ensure air is pushed out from underneath. Taller air deflectors like these can go under beds or next to wood furniture to protect it from warping. Now, you can kick back on the couch and enjoy the comforts of your fully operational air vents. And while you're at it, grab your laptop and check out more energy and water saving tips at BPU.com.